Ever wondered what blockchain really is? In just 5 minutes, we'll break down this revolutionary technology that's changing the world. Imagine a digital notebook, but not just any notebook, one that's shared across millions of computers worldwide. Blockchain is a digital ledger where transactions are recorded in blocks and linked together in a chain. Simple, right? Here's how it works. A transaction is made, like sending Bitcoin to a friend. This transaction is verified by a network of computers called nodes. Once verified, it's added to a block along with other transactions. This block gets linked to the previous one, forming a secure chain. And voila, it's permanently recorded and no one can change it. But what makes blockchain so secure? Each block is encrypted with a unique code called a hash. If someone tries to tamper with a block, the hash changes, breaking the chain. Plus, it's decentralized. No single authority controls it. This makes hacking nearly impossible. Blockchain isn't just about Bitcoin. It's used for cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, smart contracts, digital agreements that execute automatically, supply chain, tracking products from origin to store shelves, and so much more. The future is bright. Blockchain could revolutionize finance, healthcare, voting systems, and beyond. It's not just a trend, it's a game changer. Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech insights. See you in the next video. This video is brought to you by IMPNTech-INTL. For professional education and training, visit our website or reach out on social media.